just made it to the Cuypmarkt. I think that's how you say it. It is supposed to be the busiest market in all of the Netherlands, and they claim it's the busiest day market in all of Europe. And you can get some of the local street food here, clothing, other artisan goods, arts and crafts, tons of stuff. So,
like stroopwafels.
Hello. Can I get one of the caramel stroopwafels? I'm so excited. These are supposed to be so good. And last time we were here, we couldn't find one of these little markets. And they have like broken ones, snippers. So this is a stroopwafel. It's a really popular Dutch snack. It is basically like almost a cookie or a waffle. They fresh bake it, slice it in half, and then they fill it with either caramel, honey, syrup of some sort. This one's caramel, which is supposed to be the most popular flavor. And it's so hot and warm. Oh, I'm really excited to try it. So much better than the grocery store version.
There's like a crispy cookie that's cinnamon scented, and the interior, you know, the actual caramel. Awesome. Stringy, gooey, warm caramel. That thing is enormous. There must be like 100 grams of sugar here.
Probably more. It's a lot. I could have gone with like half one of those for both of us.
People give Americans trouble for their portion sizes being too big. That's like a portion size of this, in my opinion.
So something you're supposed to try is Dutch herring. Can I get the top one? Plate. Thank you. He made it easy. So this is Dutch herring. It's a dish that has been served since the 15th century, and traditionally it was served raw and salted. It kind of feels raw, and I despise pickles, so we're gonna see how this goes. It's supposed to be an acquired taste. I'm nervous. It doesn't look the most appetizing. You know, that's not bad, but it tastes exactly like the ocean.
Okay, now try it with a pickle.
I don't like pickles, so.
Do a pickle
I'll do a
herring
little
bite.
pickle, a little onion.
Yeah.
You know, it's like sushi texture with ocean taste. You sure you don't want to try it, Alan?
100%.
I normally hate pickles, but that particular combination is actually really good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all this though. What else should we try? That's something we could try. So next up are Poffertjes. I think I'm saying it right. Hi. Hello, can I just get the small portion? So these are like almost like a mini pancake, and they usually put like sugar, Nutella, syrup, something I like. Look at that. Thank you.
Is there anything more Dutch than like a Dutch flag and like a glob of butter? They really went serious on the
They look
powdered
good.
sugar. But anyways, these are usually pretty hard to find freshly made. In fact, this is the first time I've seen them freshly made. They have them in stores and restaurants and stuff, but I just don't think that they're made with the same care and love as that lady gave them. Let's give it a try though. A little bit of butter, a ton of sugar.
You like that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, these are really delicious. The butter especially is extremely flavorful compared to the butter you normally get outside of Europe. They very much are like eating just, you know, big American pancakes, but they're small.
Good for this mini pancake goodness. They're a little chewier than like American pancakes. They don't have as much air in them. I kind of like these. What do you think?
Sure, if you want them.
I might get them. Thank you.
You want to show off your new purchase, Randy?
I'm excited. I have a really hard time finding sunglasses that even look decent, and they were a pretty good price. So much better. It looks good. It's a little bitter. It's good. I've been generally pleased with the prices at this market. They're like very reasonable. I feel like at a lot of markets, even for those like little pancakes or Stroopwafel, they would have charged like 6 to 8 US.
The US is just expensive. That's all it is, you know.
That's true.
The United States is more expensive than most of Europe, even Amsterdam.
Not the rent necessarily, but...
Rent in San Diego is worse than Amsterdam, I guarantee it.
That's true. That's true. This market is actually quite large. I feel like we've been walking a while. I want to try that. Bitterballen.
Oh,
I'm supposed to try it. I'm digging the music with this one.
Thank you. So I guess Dutch have like a thing for turning like dinner into fried stuff. So these ones are chicken soup that's been allowed to cool and congeal, then it's breaded and fried.
What are they called again?
Bitterballen.
Bitterballen.
Yeah. So, you know, just like a nice little fried ball. Smells fried and good.
It looks like a croquette.
It is a round croquette, yeah. Good though. This one has ginger in the soup.
There's mustard it came with too. I know you like mustard.
Yeah, break up a little bit of the fats.
Is it like the horseradishy mustard or
How
like
about you just try it and find
yellow
out?
mustard? I don't like horseradish.
Let's try and find out, Randy.
I'll try the mustard first. Okay, I can deal with that. Actually, the mustard's a strong complement to that. I think I like this better than the croquette. It has a better texture. The croquette gets a little thick for me, I think. These have to be terrible for you. Thanks again. I think if I take one more bite, I'm gonna pop.
That's how I feel. Largest market in Europe.
I don't know about that.
I know, right?
Well, day market, they said.
Oh
Day
yeah,
market.
the one in Italy was, I'd say, just as big, if not bigger.
I think everyone kind of makes claim to having the biggest market.
Yeah, that's right. It's like having the world's best pie or something, right?
Yeah. This one or this one?
I like the second one on the right.
This one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Add this to our collection. I think we've had enough food and market, so I think we're gonna head back and get packed up and ready to go to our next spot. I'm really excited. We haven't been to the other cities in the Netherlands that we're gonna visit next, so be sure to check back for them.